Hey guys, how you doing? This is Joss. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, click the bell notification, so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So today, guys, we're going to take a look at the Fedar SF60 UV DTF printer. That is the one that we got here on the back, and also we sell on our website. So we're going to print some samples, take a look at the color, at the backing. We're going to do at least one wrap so you can see it, how you can put that on a glass tumbler. And if you're looking for upgrade from a small format UV DTF printer, this one, the 24, may be for you. So take a look. So right away on the front you can see the brand of the printer, and also the acrylic that have a type of color, so that's going to help you to protect from the UV light. And also these units come with warnings to follow up, so that way you'll be safe. So if we take a look here at the heads, so this unit use 3 heads using I3200U1. The U meaning is for UV DTF. So we got the CMYK, we got the white on the back, and we got the varnish right there. Coming to this side over here, so this printer is at 24 inches. So here you can do really large job, 22-23 inches wide by any long you like. Then on the head over here, if you look really quick, you're going to see that piece over there. That one, if for some reason the films move up and hit that, it's going to stop the printhead from moving. So that's called a coalition sensor. All this tubing that you see here has liquid inside, so that helps to keep the UV lights really cool down and doesn't overheat or anything like that. And right here on the front we got a touchscreen panel that you can move the film back and forward, also the heads left and right. And you can see here that you can do several operations. Over here you can see the humidity, how it looks inside the room right now, also the temp that the roll has, and all of that. Okay, origin we're using 81 mm. So if you take a look at the ruler over here at the 8, so we got it at 81. So the printhead just start printing from this point and go all the way what we needed. Also this printed give you a bolt reader for your outlet. So right now we got 245, so 210, 220, 240, that's good. And then here underneath we can see the UV cooling system. So that have liquid, and that one is the one that traveling inside the lines to keep everything cool down. Okay, so once you get this setup, you don't need to touch much of here, to be honest. Just set everything at 50%, turn on and put the liquid inside, and you got to keep that. So moving to this side, we have a steering setting for the white ink that every 60 seconds is going to be steering that. Over here we got a alarm system for the ink, so if any system goes really low, it's going to start beeping for you, so you know which one it is. Then over here on the back we have our colors, the white, the varnish, And you can see the white has the steering that it just went turned on and now it's off, so that way you can keep it. Obviously over here you got your rollers that is going to be removing the protected sheets from the printing UV DTF film that has the glue. And on the other side of the printer you're going to have the auto cleaning, that if you have your printer connected to the electricity, even if you turn off the printer, you keep this one on right here. You keep this one on, and then this one is going to turn on and it's going to be doing the auto cleaning for you, even if you're not at your shop or using the printer at the moment. It's going to continue cleaning the cycles for the heads and all of that, and that's going to help not getting the print head clog or anything like that. So what we're going to do now is just put the printer to print some samples and see how it looks. Alright guys, so what you saw there was the Fedar SF60 UV DTF printer using 3 heads i3200 U1, that is for the UV. So we did a couple of samples that we give away to customers that come to the office, local customers. And also if you request samples through our website, we send you samples so you can see it. You can see the colors, the backing. All right, so you can achieve the UV DTF printer with that. That is also available on our website. So the Fedar SF60 UV DTF printer, really nice. We did here a tumbler wrap. So this one is really nice if you want to create glass tumblers to give away, to sell, for gift shops, and all of that. So once you stick this to the glass, it's going to be permanent there. It's going to be waterproof, anti-scratch because the varnish and all of that. So really nice. So there you have it, guys. So if you got any question, comment below. As always, thank you for following us here at Kingdom DTF community, YouTube, Facebook, and everywhere. And if you like some samples, just go to the website kingdomdtf.com, request yours, and we can send it to you. All right, guys.